Hey everyone, welcome to Daily News Wrap by Voice of Crypto. Today is May 18th, 2022, and we are going to talk about the top trends, price action, and the top news of the cryptocurrency market. So let's dive straight into it. Also, if you want to know about what's happening in the Indian cryptocurrency space and what the top gainers of today were, then stick around till the end of this video where we'll talk about the top gainers in the market today. So let's look at how the global crypto market cap looked like. The same was down by 3.5% over the last 24 hours and traded at US dollar 1.27 trillion, noting a considerable decrease in the last 24 hours. This decrease was largely due to Bitcoin losing the support at the US dollar 30,000 mark. At the time of recording, Bitcoin was down by 3.12% and traded at 29,500 US dollar. Ethereum, on the other hand, was down by almost 4.5% on the daily charts and over 8% on the weekly chart. It was trading just below the 2000 US dollar support, which plays an important psychological support in the market. That said, BNB, which is Binance Coin, was down by almost 3%. However, it had still maintained that sort of long term uptrend and was up by close to 6.5% in the last week, which is good for BNB holders, I feel. Moving on, let's look at how the top altcoins performed as Bitcoin fell. Clearly, Cardano, Solana, Polkadot, and Avalanche were highly correlated to Bitcoin and saw massive fall on their daily price charts. Cardano was down by 7.79% on the daily. Solana was down by 7.35%. Polkadot was down by 8.5%. Avalanche was down by 8.44%. That said, wrapped Bitcoin was okay. It is mostly pegged to Bitcoin's price and was down by a mere 3.23%, while Tron was down by 1.75%. Interestingly, Tron has behaved well in terms of price as compared to a lot of top assets, and it was quite shocking to see Tron back up in the top 15 tokens. And so was for wrap BTC or WBTC, which was back in the top 15, a position it has not seen in quite a long time. Let's move on and look at some of the top news of the cryptocurrency market. In India, it seems like quite interesting trajectories are being taken place in the government as well as the retail and the institutional side of cryptocurrency, metaverse, and the NFT space. Geo, which is one of the top communication firms in the country, has trialed metaverse experience for retail partners with homegrown 5G network. The firm has trialed an immersive metaverse experience for digital retailing utilizing its indigenous community. Now, this could be a big move in India as one of the top firms forays into the metaverse space. However, what is interesting is that just yesterday we reported about how Securities and Exchange Board of India, which is SEBI, wants celebrities to refrain from endorsing crypto products. So, how exactly will Reliance and Ambani's metaverse pan out? Will Ambani not have any actors, maybe Amitabh Bachchan or Shah Rukh Khan, endorse one of his metaverse? Well, if the government doesn't allow that, then this could sure be a bummer for Ambani's metaverse. Moving on, Terra and Duke Won still have the larger cryptocurrency market wrapped around the news of Terra, UST, and the larger Terra ecosystem fall. South Korean government has been aggressive in investigating the fall of the Terra ecosystem, and they have recently revived a financial crimes unit called Grim Reaper. So if some of you are scared looking at that picture of Grim Reaper, imagine how Do Kwon will face the horrors of his life with the Grim Reapers or supposed Grim Reapers after him. The founder, Do Kwon, also faces fines for alleged tax evasion, according to local media reports. So, seems like the Terra founder is in for quite a horror time in the coming few days. Well, this, my friends, was all in terms of news. Now we'll look at the top gainers of the day. Kyber Network Crystal V2's coin KNC was up by almost 11% on the daily charts and close to 50% on the weekly. KNC noted high gains. However, it seems like its trajectory couldn't be held for long, and the token could seem considerable pullback in the times to come or in the short term. Chili's was up by almost 7% on the daily and close to 13% on the weekly chart. Seems like Chili's is doing well with the negative correlation that it has with BTC at the time of recording. KuCoin's token KCS was up by 22% on the weekly, which is good for KCS holders. Clayton Blockchain's token Clay was up by a mere 2%, and rest of the tokens that were up were recent entries in the top 100 coins by market cap. And largely, there were just 4 to 5 tokens that rallied, not really rallied, sort of recovered from the losses that they saw in the last week. And these tokens, I feel, wouldn't sustain their gains for much long. Looking at BTC's price trajectory, with Bitcoin down on the price chart and losing the 30,000 support, altcoins could see a terrible time going forward. Nonetheless, no fears. Volatility is the name of the game, and we are here to help you out with how to navigate in the cryptocurrency markets. So if you like our content, do follow us on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Instagram. And don't forget to like this video and hit that subscribe button for more such commentaries around the cryptocurrency market. Ciao, I'll see you tomorrow.